Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TNB Academy. Auditing has changed forever. The days have gone when every audit required physical presence, piles of paper, and face-to-face interviews. Today, remote audits are not just convenient, they are often necessary. From global supply chains to pandemic disruptions, organizations are realizing the power and challenges of auditing from a distance. But how do you ensure credibility, fairness, and effectiveness in remote audits? ISO 19011, the guideline for auditing management systems, provides a strong foundation. In this session, we will explore challenges of remote auditing and present practical solutions to make them successful. Now, understanding remote audits. Remote audits are conducted partially or fully using technology. Video conferencing, shared documents, cloud platforms, or digital collaboration tools. The principles remain the same as on-site audits: objectivity, competence, evidence-based approach, but the tools change. According to ISO 19011, remote audits must follow the same systematic and documented process as traditional audits, with extra attention to technology, communication, and planning. Now let's discuss why remote audits are here to stay. Remote audits are not just an emergency option. They offer benefits too. They reduce travel costs, save time, and allow access to experts worldwide. Auditors can review evidence across multiple sites without leaving their office. Organizations with global suppliers or branches can be monitored more frequently. However, these advantages come with challenges, especially in ensuring evidence, credibility, managing time zones, and dealing with connectivity issues. Now, challenges in remote audits. The human factor. One of the biggest challenges in remote audits is communication and trust. In face-to-face audits, body language, environment, and direct interaction create clarity. In remote audits, signals are weaker. Misunderstandings can arise, interviews may feel artificial, and auditees may feel less accountable. Distractions at home or poor audio-video quality also impact the flow. Another challenge is engagement. Participants may get fatigued, multitask, or drop out due to technical difficulties. These human factors can reduce audit effectiveness if not managed carefully. Now we will discuss the challenges in remote audits, the technical factor. Technology is both the enabler and the risk of remote audits. Poor internet connection, incompatible platforms, or lack of IT support can derail an audit. Screen sharing may fail, documents may not upload, and security concerns may arise about confidential data. Different time zones and digital literacy levels add more complexity. ISO 19011 stresses confidentiality and security, which means remote audits must use secure platforms, encrypted file sharing, and proper access control. Without a strong technology support, remote audits may become unreliable. Now, challenges in remote audits, the evidence factor. Gathering audit evidence remotely is often more difficult. An auditor cannot always walk around a facility or check equipment directly. Instead, they rely on virtual tours, scanned documents, or digital dashboards. This raises questions about the sufficiency and reliability of evidence. For example, can a video call showing a machine in operation provide the same assurance as being physically present? The key challenge is to ensure that evidence remains objective, verifiable, and sufficient, even when collected remotely. Now the solutions: strong planning and risk assessment. ISO 19011 emphasizes the importance of planning, and this becomes even more critical for remote audits. Effective planning includes technology check, testing platforms, connections, and backups before the audit. Risk assessment, identifying areas where remote evidence may be weaker and planning alternative verification methods. Clear agenda, defining timelines, sessions, and responsibilities in advance. Engagement plan, including breaks, interaction strategies, and visual aids to keep participants focused. Remote audits succeed when preparation is thorough and risks are anticipated. Now, remote audits done right. Remote audits bring both challenges and opportunities. The human factor, technical hurdles, and evidence credibility are real concerns. But ISO 19011 provides a framework to address them. With the strong planning, the right tools, secure process, and effective communication, remote audits can be as reliable as traditional ones. In fact, they may even be more efficient and inclusive. So the next time you log into virtual audit, remember, confidence comes from preparation, trust comes from communication, and credibility comes from evidence. Remote audits are not a challenge to fear, but a solution to embrace. This is all about today's session. I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.